How can you, a regular student, use trigonometry outside the classroom? Learn with us at Trigonometry. This is you.
This is your school. One day you wanted to measure the height of your school. You discovered that you were 50 meters away, so you brought out your clinometer and measured 50 degrees. Your level of eyesight was 1.34 meters. So what are you going to do with all this information? How do you solve for a right triangle? Don't beat yourself up. The answer is, use SOHPHOMORE. Here's how you do it. Now let's organize your information first. Identify all the sides of your triangle using A, B, and C. Now identify what you're looking for, which is B. You're given 50 degrees, 50 meters, and 90 degrees. Now to find B, use the tangent function. Now the opposite of 50 degrees is B, and the adjacent is 50 meters. Now this is the equation that will be formed. To isolate B on one side, multiply both sides by 50 and cancel out 50s on the right side. Now B equals 59.59. 59.59 is only that height. You still need to add your level of eyesight, which is 1.34. So now X, which is the height of the school, is 60.93 meters.
Now you're off to the park, which is right across the street. At the park, you saw a cat stuck in a tree branch. Now you need to find the height of the ladder you need to save the cat.
You are 25 meters away from the base of the tree, and the cat is 10 meters away from the base of the tree. You measure the angle of 30 degrees from the point where you're standing. Don't freak out. You can always solve this problem with law of sine. Now label all sides of your triangle with A, B, and C. Here's the law of sine. Now substitute the letters with your given values. Identify what you're looking for, which is X, and what you will solve for first, which is B. Now cross multiply both sides. Now to get angle B, transpose sine to the other side to get sine -1. Your answer will be 29.44. The ladder needs to be 29.44 meters in order to save the cat.
Hooray! You saved the cat!
It's your mom calling.
You have to go home now, sweetie. You have to pass by the flagpole. The bearing of the flagpole from the park is 50 degrees to east of north, and from the flagpole, the bearing is 32 degrees to west of north.
What are you supposed to do with all this information? How are you supposed to get home? Well, this is something the navigators used. It is called bearing.
Now you have to find the distance from the park to your destination if your distance is 29 meters from the store. We're gonna use law of sine. We're looking for side A, angle B, and angle B is gonna be 98. To look for side A, you have to cross multiply. A is gonna be 22.44. So what you're gonna look for now is side C. So you have to cross multiply. So C is gonna be 15.52. So when you add it, it's gonna be 37.96. You need to travel 37.96 meters to get home. Hooray! Now you're back home. Thanks to
Trigonometry!
Created using how to.